We have a nozzle where water comes out, very, very light, like a mist. And basically, you don't want to point it down. You want to point it up. And you want to let it fall into the pavement. Right? So we're wetting the bottom part of the driveway. You're literally just letting the water flow straight and fall down. And you're going to do a lot of water. As you can see, we are not directly throwing the mist into the porcelain, into the sand, but we are simply letting it fall, right? And a lot of water is going to go on this first 100 square feet. You're going to see that it's going to hit the pavers and start moving into the joints.